this one. So here it is. Ipakita ko inyo. Ay, wow! Ang taray. So ito muna yung tingnan natin, guys. Tapos, ayun, kaya sabi ko sa sama ko, oh, I really like it talaga. Kasi nga, paglagay mo sa mukha mo, do a review in this one as well. So, this one is another sample from my sister-in-law na bigay din niya sa akin. And hi, lovely people! Kumusta kayong lahat? Chubby's World here! Welcome sa aking channel. So, in this video, I will be doing unboxing beauty products from Clarins. So, I have a box here. Ayan. So, meron akong this one here. It's cleansing micellar water. And the next one is multi-active Noah. I'm not sure how to read it properly, guys. So, correct me if I'm wrong. And this one is, the last one is multi-active drawer. So, the reason I got this one, it's because, na-try ko na. I already tried this one here. Ayan. Number 2, yung parang moisturizing niya sa Target Fine Lines, ganon. Anyway, kasi nga, nakatry ako. I already tried the sample. So, ito yung sample. Guys, ang laki niya in fairness, 15 ml. So, ayan. 15 ml. Itong sample na ito, bigay ng aking sister-in-law from Dubai. Nung umuwi siya dito sa Australia about maybe nearly 2 years ago na. So, ngayon lang ako naka-chance na gawing review ito. Tapos, ayun, kaya sabi ko sa sama ko, oh, I really like it talaga. Kasi nga, paglagay mo sa mukha mo, it's not oily and then it dissolves very quickly. And it's not dry as well, and it's very smooth on my face, ganon. Kaya sabi ko sa sama ko, ay, gusto ko lang mag-Clarins. Tapos, ayun, insakto, nung pumunta kami sa Meyer, that was about, what date? July 18. So, meron pa akong ano dito, guys, date na yan. Ayan. So, July 18, 2021. So, that was about 12 before dito lockdown sa Canberra. So anyway, yun nga, as in, at saka in fairness ng sample nila, guys, sobrang napakalaki niya, and then nagagamit ko ito ilang mga months din. Sobra, kasi kunti lang, you don't need a lot of amount talaga. Only a small amount you need, and then it will spread your face na talaga, as in. And before kong buksan itong box, I will do a review in this one as well. So, this one is another sample from my sister-in-law na bigay din niya sa akin. And this one is SPF 30 na. And, guys, as in, this is really, really good. And, I think you can, if you're here in Australia, you can ask Davy Jones and Meyer sale at Clarins as well. And if you wanna try, you can ask a sample just like this. Kasi it doesn't sting in your eyes, and it's not oily feeling. Diba yung iba, ibang sunscreen, very sticky siya on your face. Pero this one, guys, is not sticky at all. It's not oily. And then, yeah, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video. So, ayun. Kaya, ayan. In this one, wala akong sunscreen dito. So, ito lang yung under. Ang dami pa, oh, very, pa full. And I'm sure I can use this one like lots of times talaga. So, this one, guys, really, really good one. And what I did sometimes is when I put this one, sunscreen, and then on top of it, I'll put like a liquid foundation, which is this one. I've been using this one like heaps of years na, as in lots of years. The Wake Me Up foundation. Color is soft beige, 200 number. Anti-fatigue. Wake Me Up foundation. I love it. Kasi every time I use this one, every time talagang taray. Parang ano lang siya, ang tawag dito, quite a few people na rin nagsabi sa akin na parang, parang awake daw yung mukha ko ba? Hindi antok. Charot. Ano yan? Ayun. So anyway, buksan na natin ito, guys. I'm very excited. Excited to use this one talaga. And this one, guys, we purchased this one for $77. So from 113, so I saved about $36. So ayan na. Let's see how big it is this. This one. So here it is. Ipakita ko yun. Ay, wow! Ang taray. So ito muna yung tingnan natin guys. So here. So this is a size made in France. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Parang a bit blurry. Made in France, and this is 15 ml. So the same size siya sa sample. So there. And this one is Target Fine Lines Revitalizing Night Cream. So night cream pala ito. So there. Ito yung, I haven't tried their night cream pa. So ito lang yung na-try ko pa, drawer sample. Yung multi-active drawer. That's it. So that one there. Buksan na natin. Let's open it. Naka-sell siya. So we'll try this one guys. Ito this one. Kunti na. Makita mo talaga siya na. Diba tingnan yung in-applyan ko guys. Ayan. Nakikita niyo talaga na nag-ano siya yung dry skin ko. Parang nawawala yung dry skin ko. Compared to this one, oh, as in, di ba nakikita niyo very dry skin dito. Pero tingnan niyo, oh, ang ganda! Very excited to use this one. I will be using this one tonight. So that one. And this one, next one is, ito naman, micellar water, Clarins. It's hard to see kasi clear bottle siya. Cleansing micellar water. Pero ayan, mag-insert na lang ako ng picture inside kasi hindi siya makita kasi ayan, clear bottle siya. Pero anyway, this one is cleansing micellar water with alpine golden gentian and lemon balm extract. So there, this is about 50 ml. So madami-dami siya. Ang ganda. And then, the next one is ito. Ayan, tingnan niyo ang box, guys. Very, talaga, organized, very fancy. So, this one naman, this is the one that I already tried. And, as in, sobrang napakaganda niyang gamitin, guys. It's about the same size as, Olay. I've been using Olay a lot as well. So, this one, guys, we'll see how we go once we finish this bottle. So this one, wow, naka-sealed pa talaga siya. And then meron dito instructions, how to use. Tingnan natin yan mamaya. And so ito, naka-sealed talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. So ayan, dito lang i-open. Pero this one is multi-active drawer. So that one. But if you ask a sample, so bibigyan ka ng ganito. And sa sunscreen, ito naman yung sample nila. So, ayan siya, guys. Target Fine Lines, Antioxidant Day Cream, Creams Premiers, ay ano pala, binabasa ko lang yun. Binabasa ko lang yung in French. Pero ito na siya, guys, as in. And this one, I usually, kapag magagamit ako nito, I usually put this one first and then leave about 2 minutes to soak in, and then once it's dry, parang mabilis naman siya ma-dry, as in it will get dry very quickly. And once it will dry, I will apply the liquid foundation on top of it. So ayan, very nice. So I'm so excited to use this one, guys. So let's open this one. So there, dito lang i-open natin. So that you can see, guys, what it looks like inside. See? Ayan, may ano siya. Ito yung lid. Okay. 50 ml siya, guys. So this will last me for about half year. I will update you guys how long it will last this one for me. Cannot wait to use this one talaga. So So that's all our unboxing, everybody. So ayun na nga, if you're planning to purchase the big box, make sure that you already try the product. Like for me, before I bought this one, I make sure that I try this one first, the sample. So it's better for you to ask a sample because you never know, hindi kayo hiyang, diba? You never know, hindi your skin is sensitive or something like that. So it's better for you to start from sample and try it on and see how you go, because they are very generous of their sizes as well, as it's really big. This one 15 ml. It lasted me for a while, this one, to use talaga. And kasi nga 15 ml, sobrang matagal siya talagang maubos na, and then it give you like a plenty of time to yung parang hintay na kung ano ang reaction ng skin mo pa. Para super sa akin, maganda naman yung effect niya talaga, as in parang ano siya, o ganito, parang siyang ang ganda, very smooth, and the good thing is it's non-greasy finished as well. So yun, kasi parang ano tawag dito, napakaganda talaga ng Clarins, as in, guys. And luckily my sister always give me a sample product as well, the Clarins. I still have one to use there, na after sun cream, and also my sister-in-law been using Clarins for a while, as in she is Clarins ano talaga user. Kaya ayun, every time na na-spoiled talaga ako, kasi every time na uwi siya sa Dubai, merong mga sample ng mga ganito, merong mga moisturizer. Kaya tinatry ko din, ang bongga, guys. Napakaganda talaga, as in ng product nila. I really love it, using it. And also it's quite pricey, but the thing is this will last for a while as well. Worth it naman yung gamit mo. So yun lang, guys. That's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you are going to have a wonderful day and enjoy my unboxing, and give you an idea, mga beauty products, mga kaartihan sa ating mga mukha, sa mga mukha dyan. Kaya ayun, sabi nga ng asawa ko, tingnan mo, binigyan ako ng sister-in-law mo, ng sister mo, ayan tuloy, nagpabili ka ng Clarins. Kasi ang aking mukha, hiyang sa Clarins pa na moisturizer, and also the sunscreen as well. So yun na, guys. Thank you, everyone. God bless everybody. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to get notified for my next upload, please don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you, everyone. Bye.